Hi guys, welcome to another video. So let's continue talking about for loops in C. So just show you guys something that you might haven't seen. Let's try to write a for loop as we would do in other languages such as C++. So let's see what happens. So I'm gonna try to write this for loop, and you guys, if you guys are familiar with C, you guys probably know what's gonna happen. So let's try to execute. Okay, let's see it's everything okay here. Let's see it's everything okay. Well, it's working. Yeah, it's working. It's not. I think the problem is that this is a. It's not a problem actually. I think this is a new compiler, so it doesn't have the problem that the other compilers have. Okay, so that's cool. So let's the top of this video is how to initialize arrays in C. So let's create an array. It's going to be numbers. Okay, it's going to have 16 numbers. Yeah, 16. So let's write a for loop to do this, to enter it over all the numbers, and we're gonna assign some value. Okay, so basically numbers I equals, let's say I times I, for instance. So this will assign a variable for each number. Let's write another for loop to iterate over the numbers. Remember, it is 16 again, and this time we're gonna print the numbers. So let's just %d /n and numbers index I. Okay, so we got this number. So we guys can use this kind of style to initialize some array, so you guys can see. So I need to type the index. So let's just do like this. I think actually like this. It's going to be much easier to understand, right? So we got this. Yeah, print. I'm not doing right. I need to pass I here. Okay, now I got it. Okay, so you guys can see in the 7th index, actually 8th index, we got 49. So remember, the first index is the number 0. So the second is 1, and so on. So this can be seen here. So this is how you can initialize an array. So yeah, you guys can pretty much do a lot of things. I'm gonna show you guys how to do other things also. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.